So, as a software developer, it is extremely important to always work on a certain project. Whenever you get time, work on a side project. That is extremely important. So in this video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing y'all a list of side projects that I've been working on weekends or on holidays whenever I had time. So the first one I want to show you is like a social network that I called Vans. So I'm gonna open my phone and a browser here. On the browser I already have the app open, so it has profile. It doesn't have inbox yet, but it's coming soon. So it's a project that I'm still working on, and we have groups. I'm also gonna open the app on my phone here. So I have my phone connected. So I'm using Ionic to build this app and Node.js on the back end. So if I open a group here, fashion, it's going to show me a history of messages. As you can see here, we also have the ability to send an image. You can select an image from gallery or use a camera. So if I also open fashion here, as you can see on my phone screen, the camera is open, so I'm not gonna take a picture. And if I type something here, it should appear on my mobile phone. And if I type something on my mobile phone, it should also appear here. And if I switch to another group, for example food room, and you can see a list of messages again, and I send another message, it's not gonna appear here. But if I go back to fashion, I should see this message here. So it's sort of like a forum or a group chat, if you will. And in future you will have the ability to select a user and then have a private chat, and also have a profile and everything. So this is Vans. And another app that I want to show you is so let me close this one and let me close this. It's called Thirst app. So it's pretty much self-explanatory. Look at the logo, you know what this app is all about. So if let's say for example we're planning a party, we want to buy alcohol, and we want to see how much money we're gonna need. So you can just open the app and it'll show you real-time prices of alcohol. So if the store changes the price, the app will update as well. So we want to add this to our shopping list. We want to select this, and maybe we have chicks. We want to buy ciders for chicks. Add that, and we want a bottle maybe of let's buy this one, and then we'll say this is all we need. And if you go to the shopping list, it'll show you the total. So yeah. Oh, also I'm using a free version of Visor, so I'm just gonna pause the video until the ad goes away. So another one is called Easy Shopper. It's like the one that I showed y'all, but it's for food. It's like Thirst app but for food, like if you want to make groceries and everything. It's also didn't have time to complete this one, so it's still in development. Whenever I get free time, I'll work on these apps. So it's gonna take time to load for the first time because I'm still using a free version of Heroku to host my API. So it's just a list of food here, and if I want to go to the store, and if I go to game and I want to buy groceries there, still loading. And again, this is real-time prices. And another thing that I forgot to show you guys is on Thirst app, the previous app, you can actually search for alcohol and it will show you real-time prices of whatever you want to see. Cool. So another one is Founder. This is actually my favorite one. It's the most useful app I've ever built, to be honest. So this one helps grade 12 students to see which university courses they qualify for based on their marks. So I've already added my marks here. So it looks at your marks, tells you how many points you have, and whenever you go into a university, for example, if I go to UKZN and I want to see which courses in the humanities department you are qualified for, it will look at my marks. Okay, so no courses here yet, so I haven't added the courses yet. So most of these apps are still in development, but this one is pretty much as you can see here, this one missing an image here. So most of these apps are still in development, but if I go here to categories, like to stream options, and I click on business and commerce, so I'm basically saying which courses within the business and commerce field do I qualify for, and it's going to give me a list of courses. And if I click a course, it'll show me which university is the course being offered at, and also the qualification, the stream, and the duration, and the required points. See here, the requirements is 30 points and I have 33 points, and also the compulsory subjects and the percentages that you must get in order for you to qualify for this particular course. And if again I go to let me go to University of Johannesburg, and I'm saying I want to study marketing there. I hope I have a marketing course in here. Cool. So it's only gonna show me courses that I qualify for. It's never gonna show me courses. Even if I search here, if I search accounting and I hit search, the results, each and every course that I see here, I qualify for. If I click here, so I've added an ad. If I click on the course, it's going to tell me the university, the qualification, and everything. So yeah, these are the courses that, these are the apps that I've been working on for the past I think a year now. It's been a year. Yep. So I hope this video will motivate you to start working on a project. Doesn't have to be something big. Just have a portfolio, have a list of apps that you've built. Like if I go to Play Store, search Play Store, if I search Founder, and if I click my name here, as you can see, I already have 3 apps in Google Play Store. And this is actually good for your resume, because your employers will see that this candidate is very active and that you are I wouldn't say this makes you a good developer, but it shows that you are willing to learn, to pick up a new tech and build something with it. Because seriously, all these apps are using different technologies. For example, this one, the back end is using Node.js and Python to get the prices and everything. I'm using Python to scrape the data. So it's a combination of tools and technologies that have been put together to actually create this one app here. So that's it for me, and thank you for watching. Don't forget